Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with a special edition for this Sunday edition. In this blog we are going to talk and discuss about 5 rumored WWE superstars who could win Royal Rumble 2021. This is just our prediction about Royal Rumble 2021 winner. Royal Rumble is one of the top and exciting WWE pay-per-views of the year. WWE and fans both are excited about the event and especially for the Royal Rumble matches. So here we are with the discuss the topmost rumored and look potential winner for the Royal Rumble 2021 match. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Big E. At Draft 2020, we saw that WWE separated the New Day. Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods were sent to Monday Night Raw while Big E remains on SmackDown brand. So it's clear that WWE now look Big E as a single superstar and a big push wait for him. Big E's NXT run was quite eventful, where he became NXT champion. He defeated Seth Rollins and becomes the second NXT champion. In NXT, he also famous for his 5 count, where he performed 5 counts on a pin instead of 3 counts. Looks like Big E's time has now come to sign as a single superstar. Even Vince McMahon see enough potential in Big E, who can become top star and future WWE World Champion. So Big E could be the WWE superstar who could win Royal Rumble 2021. To be honest, Big E's chance is very high until WWE made big change in their plans in the last moment. Number 4 is Keith Lee. There is still in our memory that unforgettable Royal Rumble 2020 moment when Keith Lee comes face to face with Brock Lesnar in Royal Rumble match. If WWE and Vince McMahon allowed any newcomer or rising superstar to go and confront top star like Brock Lesnar, then we have to admit that the rising superstar is a future WWE World Champion. We already saw Keith Lee's potential and his in-ring skill during his NXT stint. Triple H never booked Keith Lee in any lower feud. He always see Keith Lee as a top NXT star. Even Keith Lee became a first ever NXT dual champion when he defeated Adam Cole and became NXT North American champion as well as NXT champion at the same time. If we recall another unforgettable moment that Keith Lee gave us, that Survivor Series 2019 comes in our mind. At Survivor Series 2020, we see Keith Lee in full potential come with toe-to-toe with Roman Reigns. Even Roman Reigns told that Keith Lee has enough potential and skills required to become a top WWE superstar. So Royal Rumble 2021 is a perfect platform and opportunity for both WWE and Keith Lee. For WWE, they can give an opportunity to Keith Lee to showcase his skill on the big stage and sign as well as they get the title shot that he deserves. While for Keith Lee, that is the best opportunity if WWE penciled his name as a winner of Royal Rumble 2021 to show all the world that how much he is capable to become a WWE World Champion. So if Big E is not going to win this year Royal Rumble 2021 match, then Keith Lee is the best choice for WWE. Number 3 is Kevin Owens. Since he lost the Universal Championship to Goldberg, WWE did not give him a single opportunity for the top WWE titles. Even Kevin Owens is not involved in a major storyline. The last we see that Kevin Owens involved in a big match was back in April 2020 in WrestleMania 36 against Seth Rollins. During Draft 2020, WWE shifted Kevin Owens from Raw to SmackDown. Even he becomes a part of SmackDown Survivor Series team but fails to give any impact on that match. WWE tried to put Kevin Owens onto the 2 big storylines. One is against Seth Rollins and Mysterio feud, and other is against Aleister Black. But Kevin Owens' involvement in both feuds is not lasted too long. Right now WWE has to know there is no big plan for Kevin Owens. So if WWE wants to give another push to Kevin Owens and Kevin Owens wants to sign again, rising above them all, then Royal Rumble match is the perfect place to do that. If not in Royal Rumble, then we can't see any other big opportunity for Kevin Owens in near future. So we can't rule out Kevin Owens' name in the list of winner of Royal Rumble 2021 match. Number 2 is Samoa Joe. It's been a long time that Samoa Joe played a dual role in WWE. One is in-ring competitor while other is commentator. If Samoa Joe gets injured, then WWE give him a role of commentator till he recovers from that injury. Both Roman Reigns and Samoa Joe belongs to the Samoan family and WWE right now give all the focus on family affair for Roman Reigns' title run. So Samoa Joe automatically fit for the feud against the tribal chief. If The Rock does not come for the match at WrestleMania 37 against Roman Reigns, then Samoa Joe could be the perfect opponent which is suitable for the family affairs tagline. On so many occasions, WWE gave title opportunity to Samoa Joe, but never let him win for the top titles. We can't forget Samoa Joe match against Brock Lesnar for a top title, where Samoa Joe shocked the world during that match and let fans believe that he can defeat Brock Lesnar. While how can I forget his WWE Championship feud against AJ Styles? So if not above mentioned WWE superstar who is going to win, then Samoa Joe could be the best choice to win Royal Rumble 2021 match. Number 1 is The Fiend or Bray Wyatt. If we consider very less chances who can win Royal Rumble 2021 match, then maybe we point out towards name of Bray Wyatt or The Fiend. The reason behind Bray Wyatt or The Fiend not going to win Royal Rumble match is WWE already give him too many title shots without any qualification. So if WWE let Bray Wyatt or The Fiend win the Royal Rumble match, then it's quite a risky decision because fans did not like it. This could be the injustice for other superstars like Big E and Keith Lee who truly deserve the title opportunity. We do not say that Bray Wyatt or The Fiend is a bad choice at all, but WWE already gave him too many title shots. But if we look at other side of this, then one scenario come in mind that how the Bray Wyatt or The Fiend can win Royal Rumble 2021 match. The thing is, the first Firefly Funhouse version of Bray Wyatt can enter in the Royal Rumble match in the middle phase of the match. He gets the beating from the other superstar from some time and then suddenly disappear from the match. When one superstar left in the ring, then The Fiend appears out of nowhere and Bray Wyatt does not eliminate from the match. So The Fiend Bray Wyatt is a legal competitor and he eliminated the main one superstar and win Royal Rumble 2021 match. This look quite an entertaining scenario, but is this a good choice to do? We let this decision on you guys. Share your thoughts about this on the comment section. So this is the list of the 5 rumored WWE superstar who could win Royal Rumble 2021. Hope you agree with our majority of the choice. If you have different choices, then share with us in the comment section. See you guys in our next video.